cloudy. And the third is windy. Okay, before we continue our study today, please stand up. We make ice breaking to experience ourselves. So the ice breaking is if mom say king, you say who. If I say lion, you say roar. If I say queen, you say slay. So we start. King, who, lion, roar, queen, slay. Okay, we applause to us. Okay, so who know the spell of the weather? Sunny. I am mom. Okay, please Maya.
SUNNY.
Yeah, give us Maya. Now repeat after me. If I say sunny, you say sunny. If I say cloudy, you say cloudy. If I say windy, you say windy. Okay, sunny, sunny. Cloudy, cloudy. Windy, windy. Okay, good job. Give applause to us. Now we just have some picture of the weather. This is. Do you know what is this? It's called cloudy. Okay, good job. What is this? Windy. How about this? Snow.
Cold, mom.
Sorry, what? Snowy. Now we continue. If I say one of the weather, for example, if I say sunny, you must write sun and spelling it to your friends. Right? Okay, we start. The first sunny, please write in your notebook.
Down, mom.
Yes, Krishna? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done, mom.
How about you, Lira?
Yes, I'm done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, who want to spell the each of the weather here?
I am mom.
Please write in the board and spell to your friends. Can you spell it to your friend?
Okay, mom. SUNNY.
Give a applause to Maya. And now, who wants to write other weathers? Okay, Lydia, come on. Okay, give a applause to Claudia. Now you spell to your friends and say it together.
CIOUDY.
How you read it?
Cloudy.
Give a applause to Lydia. Once again, do you want to try, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please come and write in the board.
Green, bukan Pak. Dia apa siu? Dia siu. Siapa ni? Aku. Baiklah. Aku kan apa? Done, mom.
Okay, give applause to Now, Krishna, can you spell it the weather, please?
Yes, mom.
Sorry, do not.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay. WINDY.
How you read it?
Windy, ma'am.
Okay, give applause. So, okay. Okay, students. Okay, students. That's all our learned today, our study. So, do you remember what we talking about?
Yes.